Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and I have something in my eyes right now. Okay, for today's video, you guys, I am super duper excited because I just received, wait, let me put it back inside so I act like if I never opened the box before. Let's pretend I never opened the box, okay? I'm so excited because I just received my first order of Rizos Curls. Yay! Rizos Curls, for those of you who are not familiar with the brand, is a curly girl line of product that was created by a curly girl entrepreneur, which makes me so happy. You know, I am very happy and excited that I was able to support a woman entrepreneur. So yay for that. Her name is Julissa. She has beautiful curls. I'll put a picture of her if I can find it. And she came up with her own line of product, and everybody and their mamas are loving it. To place this order, I decided to go through her website, and I ordered the traveling size products. This cost me $20, and then plus tax and delivery I was at $27. What I really liked on the website is that when I was ready to pay, I had a whole lot of different options on how to pay for my product. You know, sometimes when you order on a small company's website, it's just, you don't know if it's safe, you know, it's just a little and I really like that I could pay through PayPal, through Amazon Pay, through Apple Pay. Like, I think every way of payment that you can think of was available. I decided to go through Amazon. I had a fast delivery. I think I ordered my products earlier this week on Monday, and I got it on Friday. I'm quite satisfied with that. I love her logo. Her logo is the face. It's like, wait, let me see. Here, let's stick it on this bottle. Look at her logo. You know, it's like it could be any of us. It just insert your face there kind of logo, and I really like it. The curls are beautiful. It's voluminous, and I don't know, and the little shoulder like this. I'm gonna try these products for the first time today. We have a shampoo. Okay, wait, what you call it exactly? A hydrating shampoo. We have a deep conditioner. We have a refresh and a detangle spray, which you're supposed to put once you get out of the shower and you're ready to style your hair. And then the curl defining cream to style your hair. So I am going to follow all those steps. This is my first ever time using this line of products, so I'm going to give you a first impression. What I would like to do, I'm not sure I will be able to do this, but if I can, I will come back after a few days of trying this product and tell you my final thoughts on the product. Do I really like it? Is that a product I'm going to reuse? Am I going to reorder? Pretty much. Okay, today is a beautiful fall day. I'm not using any lights but the sunlight. Let's hope it stays like that. Voila. Okay, with no further ado, I'm gonna go in the bathroom. I'm gonna wash my hair, and you guys are coming with me. Come on, let's go. So first I started by using the shampoo. I was a little heavy-handed on the amount of shampoo that I put, and it took me a good minute to rinse everything out of my hair. So yeah, that was that. Next, I use the conditioner. I put a generous amount. I think, you know what, guys, I think it's taking me a second to realize that my hair is short. So I'm using a lot of product on my hair, but it's okay. I'm adjusting slowly. Now, the conditioner is very silky and very moisturizing, and I was actually able to hand detangle my hair under the shower instead of using a brush. So that was a first. Then I put everything in a little bonnet for the remaining of the shower, then rinse it off. Now it's time to style. The first thing that I apply on my hair was the Refresh and Detangle spray. I get a little splashed in the face when I first pumped the product out of the bottle, but apart from that, everything went well. Once I apply the detangling spray on my hair, I use a diamond brush to distribute the product all over. Finally, I use the curl defining cream on pretty much the length of my hair. I try to stay away from the roots as usual. Alright, you guys, I'm done applying the two leave-in. What can I say about these two leave-in? The first one is the Refresh and Detangle spray. It's very lightweight. This is spray, so I was thinking that it would be watery, but it's not at all. It's more like a very light cream, like a milk. It's more like a milk, actually. It doesn't feel like it's gonna do anything to my hair. I want to one day use only this in my hair and see what happens, because right now I feel like I could skip this product. And then I put in the cream. The cream is a cream. I'm more used to this consistency. I put a little bit all over my hair. I hope I didn't put too much and I didn't overweight my hair. Again, for you ladies out there who have fine wavy to curly hair, a little goes a long way. And then I need to lock everything in with a little bit of gel. When I did the unboxing on my Instagram, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely. The brand actually reached out to me. They messaged me and they told me, yay, we're so happy you bought the brand. We really hope you like it. Let us know if you have any questions. And I actually reached back to them and I asked them, do you guys have any gel? Is there any type of gel in the line? And they replied to me that Julissa did not create a gel yet, but she likes to use flaxseed hair gel with her line of products. So guess what mommy did last night? Yes, I did another batch of flaxseed hair gel. Thank you very much. It's been a while, you guys. It's been a while. You know what? Dad has been stalling the first position for months now. It's time for the flaxseed to make her comeback. So there she is. Yes, it's a woman. So what's coming next? I'm gonna divide my hair, apply the gel in every sections, and style my hair. And I will fast forward through the whole process and we'll talk before I diffuse. See you in a second. My styling technique is pretty much the same as the one that I show you on my previous video. If you want to know a little bit more in detail what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, I will link the video on the top right corner, the little information button. Alright, my love, I am all said and done styling my hair. I'm about to go diffuse. Right now my hair feels pretty lightweight. I am still going to use my microfiber towel to take out the excess and then scrunch a little bit more. I don't have a lot of curl formation, even though I hand curl the majority of my hair. Um, so yeah, we'll see. I think I'm gonna have more of a loose curl than a tight defined curl. Usually with flaxseed, I like to let it air dry. I think I have a nicer end result, less frizz. But I am pressed by time. What time? Yeah, I'm pressed by time right now. So I'm gonna go diffuse my hair and I will be right back. See you in a sec. All right, you guys, well, this is it. I am done with the diffusing part. I have reshaped a couple curls using the flaxseed. I did a very watery batch, so the hold is not really strong. Therefore, I'm experiencing a little bit of freeze, and yeah, my curls are not really staying together that well. But as far as the Rizos Curls leave-in conditioners, I like them. They're lightweight. My hair's not weighted down, but my hair's hydrated. My curls are kind of bouncy. I would like to try the leave-ins with the Widad Advanced Climate Control Gel to see how much of a definition I could get. I would also, and actually when I do, I will insert a photo right now so you guys can see. I would also like to try this line of product using no gel at all to see how my hair would react to that. And when I do, I will insert a picture right now. And I would also like to come back in a couple days to give you my final thoughts on the product, because I learned my lesson with Bouclem. At first, on the first impression, I loved it, and then I tried to use it throughout the week and my hair completely rejected the product. So I'm gonna use it throughout the week, and then I will come back in front of the camera to give you my final thoughts. Okay, until then, my love, I'll see you, well, I'll see you in a second for you, but in a couple days for me. See you in a second. Hey my loves, I'm back. All right, it's been a week since I last filmed. And here's my final thoughts on this line of product as I'm editing the video right now. I realized I didn't do the end. So here's my final thoughts on the Rizos Curl line of product. The shampoo is great. A little bit goes a long way, and it's a little too harsh for my fine hair. I like something a little bit softer. It could leave my hair a little bit too much on the dry end, but the conditioner has a great slip to it, and I'm actually for the first time detangling my hair under the shower because of this conditioner. So I don't know if I would buy the shampoo again, but I would definitely buy the conditioner again. The spray detangler, to be honest, I did not like the bottle it came in, but then when I look on the website, it's the bigger size comes in a spray bottle, which I think would be so much better to use with this type of milky product. The travel size that I received was something that you press, like you saw in the video earlier, and it was just splashing everywhere. And even this morning when I use it, it splashed all over my bathroom glass. It's just a little annoying. Apart from that, I'm not quite sure what it does really to my hair. Like I said earlier, I would have to try it on its own, which I didn't do yet. The cream leave-in conditioner is great. You'd think it's gonna weight your hair down, but it actually doesn't. And I've been using it all week, and you guys, I love it. As far as the gels, I recommend you guys use it with flaxseed hair gel. I think it's one of the better gels to use it with. I've used it with two different gels, the flaxseed and the Widad. And I like the result with the flaxseed better than I do with the Widad. So I think you guys should play around with it and see what gel works best for you. Personally, I like to use it with flaxseed better than Witad. Why? Because flaxseed has that lightweightness to it where my hair gets its natural volume, and if you apply the flaxseed properly, if you make your flaxseed properly, you get that hold and you get that volume, and it's great. The Witad now tends to keep my curls clumped together and I'm losing the volume. So today, for example, I have the Witad on my hair. On the video that I did that you just saw, I had the flaxseed in my hair, but it doesn't do it justice because it's the first time I was putting the flaxseed in a long time, and I filmed right after I was done diffusing, so my hair didn't really fluffed up yet. Throughout the week, I reused the flaxseed in different ways, where I would put the flaxseed, style my hair, diffuse my hair, stop diffusing after maybe halfway through, and then reapply a little bit of flaxseed to really make sure it holds that curl and the frizz are at bay, and then finish my diffusing. And that's when I had the best hold on my flaxseed. Shit, I have no more battery. I'm gonna try to finish this fast. Also, I will link in my description box the link to Rizos Curls YouTube channel, because she shows you how she uses the product on her hair. Now, for those of you who have fine wavy to curly hair like mine, just be careful because she has a different texture, different hair texture. But it's very interesting to see how she dries her hair, and I'm actually stealing a bunch of her ideas. Is it really stealing? She's sharing them, but I'm using a lot of her ideas because I like how she stops halfway through the diffusing to see how her hair reacts. Maybe add a little bit of this, maybe add a little bit of that, and then finish your diffusing. This is what I did with my flaxseed, and I saw a big difference in how my hair was holding and all that. So overall, I will buy more of this product. I think you guys should try it. It's not gonna weight your hair down at all, but keep in mind a little bit goes a long way. Like every curly girl hair product, when you have fine wavy to curly hair, you have to make sure you really dose your product properly. Okay, my love, I'm gonna go. I don't want this video to last too long. My battery is about to run out, so I'm gonna finish there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments below if you tried the product, how you like it, how did it work for you, what gel do you pair it with, and then voila, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.